Well, guys, I'm going to try to keep you updated on what's going on here. I got Buddy down here. We just moved over from the old new shop, whatever you want to call it. Me and Buddy, Jessie, she's around here somewhere. Oh, there she is. She's curled up in her chair. Right now it's about 80 degrees outside, and holy cow, we've had. Come on, Jess. I'm sure Bud's gonna come to. Well, Buddy can get himself out, but yeah, we got Mama Kitty, Baby Kitty. Where's Baby Kitty? There's Baby Kitty right there. She's a good girl. And right now, I was gonna take stuff down off the walls in I think Buddy's coming in this shop here. Let me let him out. Come on, Bud. Come on, Bud. There you go, big guy. Gonna take stuff out of there and move it over to the new old shop, whatever you want to call it. You're probably gonna pick up some wind noise. It's gotten rather windy out. A few minutes ago, well, my dad lives right over there, and I couldn't even see his house. The dust was blowing so bad. I got some fields. If I can get out here, I don't know if I can get out of do this without being in the wind. Well, they're not blowing now, but there's a field right over there owned by a soybean company and some other fields close by. And they have these roller baskets on the back of the fuel cultivator, and it just turns the ground to powder. And when the wind picks up like this, which it wasn't supposed to do today, it just blows like crazy. It's just a dust storm. It's like a big snowstorm. Just couldn't even see across the field over there at Dad's. But anyway, yeah, I was going to take stuff down out of the shop. Just trying to keep you updated on what's going on, because I'm in limbo right now. I can't do much truck stuff. Right now there's a severe, you're going to get some wind noise. Severe thunderstorm off that direction. And been hearing a lot of thunder and stuff off. You can tell the sky is pretty dark off all up over that direction. We're supposed to get some stuff here about I don't know, about 7 o'clock. About, I don't know what time it is. Probably 3 or 4 hours. I probably can't pick it up on camera, but I can see rain coming out of the sky there. But I don't think we're supposed to get anything real severe or anything, but who knows. So I was over in the old shop, over more wind noise, right over there. Closed it up. I didn't want all the dust and everything blowing in there. So anyway, that's what's going on here right now. I don't know. We'll see what the weather does. Looks like we could get some nasty stuff here. I don't know, in 3-4 hours, but I don't think it's gonna last very long. Had my daughter down here, youngest daughter. She went to a bachelorette party with my oldest daughter, who gets married next weekend. What are you doing, bud? I'm just gonna rest, Dad. That's what I'm gonna do. And sounds like she had a lot of fun. I don't think she got to bed till about 4 o'clock in the morning, so she was pretty tired and took her home a little bit early. Yeah, little baby kitty's doing really good. Hi, Mom. But anyway, as far as here in the shop, and I know Mr. Tough Ancient Spark keeps telling me to save what I can out of here, and there is some stuff I would like to save. Like, there's some plywood up over here that's external plywood or exterior plywood. Like to save some of that, and probably, like I said in my last video, there's a lot of insulation on the other side of this wall that I think is in really good shape, and maybe even take down some of these boards over here. They don't look too bad. Might be able to use them for something, but There's a lot of 2x4s that I put up in the ceiling here. They're probably all wet and ruined by now, but I don't know. Maybe behind some of this OSB board. I mean, I built walls all around here, and a lot of 2x4s that I could probably get out of there. Like I said in my last video, I don't know who the dum-dum was that put about 1,000 screws in these 2x4s to hold up all the tools, but you can probably guess who that was. But yeah, I came down here originally to just I want to get that down, get that down, get that down. I don't know about the flags. I'm not real worried about them. I need to get the whiteboard down. That needs to come down, not a big deal. The air compressor is going to be, I don't know. Dad and I talked about it. We were like, well, once we're getting to the final stages, about to tear this thing down, we could probably, if I get this door out of here, and then just knock this out down here and get a loader tractor in here and pick that thing up. That thing is heavy, but pick it up with the loader and carry it over to the other shop and put it somewhere. And some of these shelvings and stuff, I kind of up in the air on taking them, but might as well, I guess, and take these lights and that kind of thing. Still got to get those plates down from up there, and I want to save this and just a bunch of other stuff up here. I do want to keep those two things. Those, I think I mentioned that the other night. A lot of speakers down here too that came out of vehicles that I had my stereo hooked up to. I think there's like 14 of them or something like that, but I don't know. I know Bill Pitts, I know him, he's local, asking about the windows in the barn if they would fit over in the shop. This is really the only intact window, and it's too small. The other ones, you might look at it from the outside of the barn and think they're in good shape. There's no window there. It's a piece of plywood, and I painted it black. So anyway, guys, that's what's going on right now. Jody's not feeling the greatest, although I think she's feeling better. Had kind of a bad stomach this morning. We ate some loose meat sandwiches with, well, I know mine had a lot of onion on it last night, and so that might be what the deal was, but I don't know what we're having for supper tonight. Something real simple, I think. And got to get the new pool set up out here. Got that sitting up in the garage. Bought that, gosh, I don't know, 2-3 months ago. Got a really good deal on that, and it's up in the garage, so got to get that set up. And I don't know what I want to do with all. Some of the stuff is just going to stay in the barn and go down with the barn. You know, like go-kart. It's got to be moved out of here. All these boxes and stuff, either throw them away, burn them, or they can just go down with the barn. That's the original spare tire off of my green truck. Got to get the smokers out of here. This one's in really good shape. I keep forgetting to put the cover on it. This one works just fine. It's just starting to get a little bit of rust on the bottom of it. All this, some of this stuff can be moved over to the Quonset building. I'm not going to walk out and show you what that is. If you know what a Quonset building is, you know what I'm talking about. Some of this, I got a couple of tailgates here. The original one off my green truck, and that one I think came off the blue truck. But there's some good metal on there I could use. I got 1, 2, 3 hoods over here. The original green hood off of the green truck. I don't know. One of these came off of the flare side and one off the Bronco. It's good for sheet metal. Just if you need to patch something up. Got a really good front bumper here that came off of the green truck. I want to keep that. It's just a mess. Just it'll get done. I need to get to work on this stuff. And I don't know. I think, oh, hi Jess. I think over here I can save all the insulation behind these walls and probably reuse that. I think the stuff up in the ceiling is probably just garbage. And if I want to really get after it, I can probably take off a lot of these and salvage some of the insulation out of there. I don't know. But that's what's going on tonight here, guys. Just giving you another little update here, just because right now I don't have anything else to put out. I'm just, we want to get the Hungry Fox channel going. Just look up the Hungry Fox, or, well, you're going to find kid books, I think, but look up the Fox Shop BBQ or the Hungry Fox BBQ and you'll find it. Jody and I have a lot of ideas. It's just, one, I want to cook. Too much wind noise here. One, I want to cook outside on the griddle, and the weather has just not been cooperating. So it seems like it either rains or it's blowing really hard. It wasn't supposed to be windy today, but it is. But kind of glad I took the kiddo back up to her mom when I did, because we got storms rolling around up that direction, and it looks like there's a bunch more coming in my direction here after a while. I don't think it's going to last real long or amount to much, which probably means it will, but yeah, it's looking a little lighter off that direction, but a few hours away from when all that is supposed to happen. Anyway, this is going way too long. Just wanted to give you an update on what's going on, and I'm going to head up to the house. I'm going to close this up and eat here soon. Not sure what we're eating. Something simple, I think. So anyway, guys, hope you're having a great night, and give this video a big old thumbs up. Comments go down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out the barbecue channel, the Hungry Fox Barbecue, the Hungry Fox, the Fox Shop Barbecue. You'll find it, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye.